Hello guys, you already dropped the Halo or whatever. Well, today I don't know video, but I got something for you. Today is like a flood, and I'm gonna show it to you guys. Let's go. And here we go. It was raining hard, but I'm gonna stay out here some more. And let me show y'all the flood. I forget what, but I'm just gonna show y'all the flood, what I meant. I'm just gonna, even though I repeated myself, I'm gonna stay out here too. You hear that thunderstorm? Yep. Good thing California's getting rain. Shoot, we need that rain. Shoot, we have a drought. But anyway, as you can see, all this mess. All this water. I like it real good. There's a flood back there. Yeah, I know, but it's a big one. Yeah. But anyway, yeah. How's your guys' day? Is your day as good, bad, whatever? My day was alright. But anyway, I'll go make new videos. Sorry I've been long. It wasn't long, but like a few days I was busy, getting ready for school again and all that other stuff, you know what I'm saying? Well, yeah. But, yeah. So, we just gonna keep on recording until can't record no more. Ain't that right? Hey, Jonathan Army. Well, I still have one subscriber. He's at least in the Army, but I'm still waiting for everybody else to join the Army. But anyway, like when I get a job, whatever, I'm gonna get better equipment and stuff. Look at this sky, man. Good Lord. I hate this view. I wish it was raining hard so I could show you guys. God dang. It was so bad that water came inside our house. But I know it's for me too, but from the flower pot, whatever. Yeah. And there's a hole in my room too, and the water's coming out. I don't know how I got a hole there, but I guess. Gosh. Let me tell you guys. When I first went down here, when I was running, I wish I recorded it that time. But let me tell you, it was raining real hard. It was flooded. And that was like crazy. I don't know for sure, but I think the only reason why it's not, the ground is not, to me, this is what it is. I think the ground's not separated because like it been so long that we was in a drought, and like to me, like water can I don't know, like absorb, I don't know, but yeah, crazy. Oh man, I think it's gone. But we gonna stay here until it rain hard again. I'm probably gonna stop the video and come back later when it rain hard again. If not, oh well. Probably just has to deal with it. But it's good that we raining, because we've been drought. How many times we've been in the drought? This is like our second time, I think. Like, dang. Damn. I mean, dang it. It's going. Let me tell you guys. It was really a lot when I first came down here. Which I should have recorded earlier, but I didn't. But we gonna stay down here until I'm just gonna stay here till the grass and all the other stuff get, you know what I mean, like all that other stuff. There's half of it, but it was a lot. When I mean a lot, I meant a lot. God dang. God dang. Look at this flood. But when I first came down here, was a lot more than this. Look at that. Well, guys, I'm going to stop the video here, and then I'm going to come back when it's, when it fully rains again. But I can't do it now. But, well, please, guys, like and subscribe, and please join the Jonathan Army. Peace out.